guys, gonna do a little trim work today. I want to paint these chrome little bezels black. Not a real big fan of chrome. Took the other side off already. Pretty easy. Got one right there. Spread it off. And then it just pulls right out. Go, and then I'm going to try to separate the chrome piece from the black piece so I'm not spraying over everything. Alright, so I got the first one separated. There's a bunch of clips. This way I found is start doing the interior ones and then move to the out ones, and that makes it a little bit easier. Alright, well, I got both of them off. I got some 800 grit, just some dry sandpaper, just gonna help scuff it up. So I'm gonna put some primer on it. A little texture on this side. So maybe it'll smooth that out. If not, then I mean it's gonna be down low. Not really gonna see that low. But looks like the dealer I bought who painted the bumper got some ochre spray, so maybe I'll sand this up a little bit, get that paint off. But yeah, so I'll sand it up and see how we go. Alright, well I actually started sanding it with some 120. So 800 was way too fine. So I sanded it with some 120. I masked off for the grill part. Then we have the chrome. I started a little bit light coat on there. Alright, so getting this front grill off. A few pop clips throughout, and then there's some screws behind. So right, and there's one there. On the other side, there's one in there, and there's two on the bottom here. And then there's a couple clips, two on the bottom on either side, and then one on the side, on either side, to get that front lower grill off. And then I want to take that chrome piece off. And I got like little screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And looks like some clips as well. So get that guy taken off. And we're gonna try to paint it. Alright, now so for the upper grill, gotta take this bracket off. It's got 4 bolts. They're 8mm right here, here, and then there's 2 top nuts because a couple studs here. For those, and then we got some more those as well. Looks like 3 more on either side. Alright, now that we got all those nuts off, there's a whole bunch of pop clips on the top. You can kind of see them. Just gotta pop those guys, be careful you don't break them. Alright, so kind of the mid-piece grill, it's just those nuts hang it into place and it just pulls right off. Then for the upper chrome piece, it's the clips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy moly. And then after you take the front part pulls off, after you pull those nuts off, there's 2 Phillips head screws in the front holding that on. So then after you get those off, then you're good. Alright, so we got the chrome grill pieces prepped, and first little coating of primer. I'm just using some sandable primer just in case anything bubbles up or whatnot, so I can sand it down. Alright, I got most of it kind of primed. I started a little bit on the glossing, using the gloss paint for the little fog light bezels. And then I'm going to start probably soon on the grill trim pieces. So a couple coats in, on the gloss. Looking pretty good. Not too bad. Not crazy glossy, but I'm gonna put a glossy clear coat on it as well. Try to a little bit better. Alright, let these guys sit overnight. So looking pretty good. I think I might put a little bit of clear coat on them. Let them dry and then put them on. But not too bad. Alright, all painted, all installed. Looks great. I probably should have taken these guys out, painted them as well. Maybe another day. But that looks pretty good. And then over here. Awesome. Sweet. Very happy with it. Front end looking so much meaner. The covers down there. Knock this out. Put the pin strap. Take this out. Just gotta put on the Subaru grill portion. And we'll be rocking. Looking good. Alright guys, remember when we're tightening these nuts, don't tie them too tight. They're just going on the plastic. So just nice hand tight. Make sure you get them on there. There's a clip right there. Make sure you line that up when you're pushing it on. And this one, got all the clips and then the two screws right behind there before you put this guy on. Alright, now all we have is this plate to put back up. Alright, last piece, the plate. So I put these on before. These go on last after you put on the plate. There you go. Good look. Alright. Looks awesome. Really, really cool. Not the best paint job, but it looks pretty good. Now chrome. I'm not a fan of chrome. I'm not gonna pay $400 for the sport grill. Maybe later down the line, but this is good.